Hi class, good day and welcome to the first topic of our second semester. And as you all know, we'll talk about daily life, or in Korean, it is 일상생활, daily life. So let's try to see what are the different outcomes, or learning outcomes rather, that we will have right after this topic. So in this unit, we are going to talk about daily life, and we will learn how to express come and go, and we will be able to link two sentences as well. So without any further ado, let's start. Let's begin it with these expressions. Very important that when we are going to definitely talk about daily life, or things that we need to use in our everyday conversation, usually we are going to ask these things. In English, what are you doing? What are you doing now? But how do we say it in Korean language? So listen to the audio file.
지금 뭐 해요?
Okay, so in Korean we say 지금 뭐 해요?
지금 뭐 해요?
Okay, that's pretty clear. 지금 뭐 해요? Okay, it means what are you doing now? 지금 it's now, and 뭐 is what, and 해요 is doing. Okay, now as well, one of the very common scenarios is when you are going to come across with somebody on your way. So you will meet that person, and then you would be asking him or her, where are you going, right? Asa ka pa doon in Cebuano, Visayan. So let's try to take a look at how do we say this in Korean language.
어디에 가요?
어디에 가요?
어디에 가요?
어디에 가요?
어디에 가요?
Okay, don't forget that. 어디에 가요? So 어디에 가요? That means where are you going? And what are you doing now? It's 지금 뭐 해요? 지금 뭐 해요? Okay, next. Now, there are a lot of vocabulary that we are going to take a look at in this unit, and we'll start it with the places. So, park in Korean, it is 공원. 공원, that's park. Okay, repeat after me. 공원. 공원. Okay, 식당. 식당 is restaurant. Again, 식당. 식당. Okay, restaurant. School is 학교. 학교. So if you are going to pronounce this, it is 학교. 학교. So you are going to have the 상기역 before the 요 vowel. Okay, 학교. 학교. Okay. 공원, 식당, 학교. Next is we have hospital. Hospital is 병원. 병원. And remember, just always remember class, I may have some, problem with this if you can see and notice the way I pronounce, but I am also still trying to really get used to it. But always remember that in Korean language, we are not advised to stress the first syllable because it sounds so unnatural, but it's better if we stress the second syllable if we cannot avoid stressing syllables in a word. But actually, when you speak in Korean language, it is just monotonous, so no high pitch in between sentences, not unless if it's a question. Of course, that's when you have a rising intonation, and if it ends in a period or if it's a statement, that's when you have the falling intonation. But in between, it's all the same tone. Okay, so 병원, 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 hospital. 산, San is mountain. San, mountain. And then Xijang is market. Xijang. And house or the home, it's jeep. So let's read again. 공원, 식당, 학교, 병원, 산, 시장, 집. Okay. Next, let's try to take a look at some vocabulary which definitely means something about time. So let's start with now. Now in Korean language, it's 지금. Today is 오늘. Okay? 오늘. 지금, now. Today is 오늘. Okay. Yesterday, 어제. Tomorrow, 내일. The day after tomorrow, it's 모레. The day after tomorrow. These days, nowadays, you say 요즘. Okay? So let's try to read again. 지금, 오늘, 어제, 내일, 모레, 요즘, 모레, 내일, 어제, 오늘, 지금. Okay, now let's try some vocabulary about food. The first is we have steamed rice. In Korean language, it's bap. That's steamed rice. For pizza, we have pizza. Grapes, 포도. Banana is banana. Meat, 고기. Spaghetti is spaghetti. You notice this is the English way, right? Spaghetti. Okay? Spaghetti. So let's read again. 밥, pizza, 포도, banana, 고기, spaghetti. Okay. Next, let's try to take a look at some verbs here. So the first is to do 하다. Repeat after me. 하다. To eat, 먹다. And then to meet is 만나다. Remember, don't forget the 받침. 만나다. To like, 좋아하다. So this case here, the hiyat here is like dropped. 좋아하다. Okay? To buy is 사다. To learn, 배우다. To wear or to put on, 입다. To drink, 마시다. So let's read again. 하다, 먹다, 만나다, 좋아하다, 사다, 배우다, 입다, 마시다. Okay, 잘했어요. Very good. Now let's have here some of the verbs again. So continuation, let's have 운동하다. 운동하다, it means to exercise. 공부하다 is to study. 공부하다, to study. 보다 means to see or to watch. To clean, 청소하다. Okay, 청소하다. To clean. To do laundry, 빨래하다. Again, 빨래하다, to do laundry. To teach, 가르치다. So let's read again. Let's try to read all at once. Okay, repeat all together. Join with me. Let's read together. Go. 운동하다, 운동하다. 공부하다, 공부하다. 보다, 보다. 청소하다, 청소하다. 청소하다, 청소하다. 빨래하다, 가르치다, 가르치다. 빨래하다, 청소하다, 청소하다. Again, 청소하다, 빨래하다, 가르치다, 보다, 공부하다, 운동하다. Okay, now there are some nouns like 친구, 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 friend, 옷, 옷, clothes, 영어, 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 English, 날씨, 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 weather, 길, road, 길, 운동, exercise. This is a noun, 운동. But when you say 운동하다, it is to exercise. It becomes a verb, 운동하다. Okay, usually when we are going to turn a certain noun into a verb, we add hada, okay, after the syllable of that noun. But it's not all the nouns we can use and we can turn it into verb. No. So, 친구, 옷, 영어, 영어, 날씨, 길, 운동, 운동. Okay. So there are some adjectives. So the first is 맛있다, 맛있다, tasty or delicious. 따뜻하다, 따뜻하다, it's warm. 싸다, 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 okay, cheap. 좋다, 좋다, 좋다 is fine or good. 복잡하다, 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 crowd or jammed. 재미있다, 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 it means interesting. Again, 맛있다, 따뜻하다, 따뜻하다, 싸다, 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 cheap. 좋다, 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 fine and good. 복잡하다, 복잡하다, crowd or jammed, like a lot of people, like a lot of everything is just, there's a lot. And then 재미있다, 재미있다 is interesting. There are some interrogatives. So the first one is we have to learn how to say where. Where in Korean language it's 어디, 어디, 어디. What is mall? Mall, mall. Okay, mall. And then others, let's have here some like and it's no one's is it means not. 그리고, 그리고 means and. 아주 means very. 아주, like when you say 아주 좋아해요, meaning I like you very much. Okay, because 아주 it means very. It's an adverb that means very. 우리, 우리 means we or our. 우리. Okay, so there are also words that go together. So for example, we have here 날씨가 좋다. The weather is fine. So 날씨가 좋다. And then we also have here 길이 복잡하다. 길이 복잡하다. The road is crowded. The weather is warm. 날씨가 따뜻하다. 날씨가 따뜻하다. So let's read. 날씨가 좋다. 길이 복잡하다. 날씨가 따뜻하다. Okay, so definitely they collocate or they go together, these words, right? Let's read again. 날씨가 좋다. 길이 복잡하다. 날씨가 따뜻하다. Okay, so let's end first our first video lecture in the vocabulary, then of course you already have also the handouts or the copy of all the things that will be discussed in Unit 5, so please do read in advance. Alright, so you have to check on our Google Classroom. I will be posting this video lecture, and at the same time there will be an activity that I'm going to create about this first video lecture. So thank you very much, class, for joining with me this first video lecture of Unit 5. I will see you again for the next one. Bye! 안녕! 안녕히 가세요.